Yeah, man. No intro again. Yes. Silk Boss. Money Chef. Official music video. Big up yourself, Silk. Let's go. Logics.
Yeah, one more
Big up on yourself, Logics.
Man clan.
Wild Out Records. One motion. Silk Boss.
I'm going to vibe about the Money Chef.
Money Chef. Tell them.
Gotcha.
All right.
They are not cooking in the kitchen. Feel a vibe like something missing.
All right. Obviously, I'm Money Chef. Say the shade of the video green. Yes, Logics. Big up on yourself. Phone production this. Your production this, my G. Video production, I mean. Video green. Yeah? I'm money green. I'm on the green.
They are not
Cooking in the kitchen.
Feel a vibe like
Somebody.
something missing. When me look at that gone with the chicken, 10 pound of rice, jasmine gone missing.
Yeah?
Search out a door, me no see him.
Yeah.
Call up the road, they missing.
Yeah.
So me draw for the thing we are glisten. Skeleton say a time for we kill him.
Bad metaphor. Bad.
Yeah,
Just for the thing we are glistening.
Man clan.
Skeleton say a time for we kill him.
I'm Money Chef, man. I'm going to vibe about the Money Chef.
Money Chef, tell him. All right.
They are not cooking in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Feel a vibe like
Somebody.
something missing.
Yeah.
When me look at that gone with the chicken, 10 pound of rice, jasmine gone missing.
Yeah.
Search out a door, me no see him. Call up the road, they missing. So me draw for the thing we are glisten. Skeleton say a time for we kill him. Honey and me, I rather than spinach. Carrot I make everybody tibbing.
You know that song ya remind me of I gotta tell you a song, one old song. I think I want a Super Cat song. What name? Vinny, I thought what the song name? What the song name where Super Cat sing? Me no want spend a whole lot of time and look for that song, you know, but I fool him a sing about. Same way. But obviously this one yeah, is not 40G as sing about. Vineyard style. The song name. A song, yeah.
Cold from a wine and that cherry, a side punk in a wine and that jelly. She a run up her mouth and say the dance ready.
Yeah, that song that me attack. That it remind me of. But obviously I'm money the G sing about. But it have food in the team, I can say.
Breadfruit get covered when him see me.
Yeah.
Scotch bonnet say ice from the village. Yeah. The Money Chef that them go and know his sauce when me put in iPad. Who touch it color low, him better put it back. And when the food share it, half it exact. Oh.
Creative, very creative.
Man clan.
Control Tower Squad, big up. Very creative. Silk talented artist, you know. Creative, man. Let's go.
Gotcha.
All right.
They are not cooking in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Feel a vibe like something missing. When me look at that gone with the chicken, 10 pound of rice, jasmine gone missing. Search out a door, me no see him. Call up the road, they missing. So me draw for the thing.
Reading back to you now.
Skeleton say a time for we kill him. Honey and me, I rather than spinach. Carrot I make everybody tibbing. Breadfruit get covered when him see me. Scotch bonnet say a ice from the village. Yeah. The Money Chef that them go and know his sauce when me put in iPad. Who touch it color low, him better put it back. And when the food share it,
Yeah, I feel exact, yeah.
Oh God, that the Money Chef that. Every dancer do the Money Chef rap. What is up on me loop at the money sensor. Every girl I say me sweet at the money sensor.
Yeah.
Oh, garlic in iPad.
Yeah.
Piece of ginger, the bubble in a that. Killer just catch a money fever. That gone with the fall and me never see him back. Iris till I get mash.
Yeah.
Sweet and cracker egg fam.
Irish till I get mash. Irish mash. Irish till I get. Yo, Silk.
Iris till I get mash.
So Iris till I get mash. What do you mean Irish mash? Iris. What do you say Iris? I know Iris a woman. I know say mash. Knockings, clappings. Pam, 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 pam.
Gone with the fall and me never see him back. Iris till I get mash. Sweet and cracker egg fam. Me and your circle black. Vinegar they watch your head back.
Yeah.
Oh, not a semi-grater. Pumpkin gone in a labor.
Yeah.
Red peas me fling in a traitor.
Yo, man say pumpkin gone in a labor. Pumpkin gone in a labor. You go know water walk a pumpkin belly. You go on.
Pumpkin gone in a labor.
Yeah.
Red peas me fling in a tray top.
Yeah.
Brown in a tell curry say you affiliate. Oh.
Brown in a tell curry say you affiliate.
One no sauce when me put in iPad. Who touch a color load them better put it back. Cause when the food share it, I feel exact. Oh. I the money chef that. Every dancer they do the money chef rap. Look pa me loop at the money sensor. Y'all tell me some sweet at the money sent that. Oh. And who that I said them I? Salt your fuck like nuggets and fries.
Who that I said them hype? Salt your fuck like nuggets and fries. Yo, Silk.
And who that I said them I?
Yeah.
Salt your fuck like nuggets and fries.
Yeah.
Give me way, but I say mine your slide. Highly in the cupboard and I hide.
But I say give me way, mine your slide. I'll in the cupboard and I hide. Yo.
Give me way, but I say mine your slide. Highly in the cupboard and I hide.
Buckler. Like me say, remind me of this.
She can't hear the style with a rock her body. It name, oh water walk got a pumpkin belly.
Me just said that. Oh, water walk a pumpkin
Oh,
belly.
oh water walk got a pumpkin belly.
Bim!
Oh, ask her that another one is berry.
Boom! Silk, man. Creative. I like it, Silk. I like it. But like I said, it remind me of Vineyard style. Vineyard Party, yeah, man. By Supercat. Yeah. Bad song, Vineyard style. Bad. Still, big up yourself, G. Big up the production team, Logics, big up yourself, fam. Big up yourself. Obviously, are you shoot the video? You hear me, no Logics? Yeah. I'm gonna take one out down in the comment section still. Catch you guys in the next one, though. Peace.